Today, I'll show you how to install Mendeley in your laptop. Mendeley can be used for various purposes, for your research purpose, for academic writing, articles, journals, etc. First, you need to go to Google Chrome, then you need to type Mendeley here. After that, you will be directed to Mendeley website. From here, you have to click on Download Now for Windows. Just click here and select the folder where you want to download it. Because I have Mendeley in my laptop, so I'm not downloading it. So after that, you have to install Mendeley in your laptop. When you are doing that, then you need to create an account in your Mendeley and signing out so you will better understand the phenomena how to sign in. So you need to keep your email like for me it is my email ID. Continue. After that, oh, it's going invalid. So now I have given my email ID. Let's see what happened here. They are asking for password. So I will provide my password which I have created earlier and sign in. When you are getting signing in, there are many options here. One is all references, then recently added, recently read, favorite, publication, and etc. But the problem comes when you are working on different projects and you need to cite articles in different projects. Suppose I am working on a project called migration. So I will download literature related to migration in one folder. And suppose I'm working on another domain that is fertility. So I'll download articles for fertility. Now the problem arises. So to answer the question of where we can create folder in Mendeley. So it is under the collection section. You need to click here like migration and then enter. It is created and suppose like for related. Enter it will be created. Then you need to click on migration folder. It is still blank. Then you have to go to this add new section and then if it is already downloaded, then files from can choose here. Then you can click it, you can click on the open and it will be uploaded to your migration folder. It will take time according to size of the file. Suppose I'm going to this fertility folder, it is showing blank. And sorry, I have to go to fertility folder and I have to add a new from computer. Suppose I'm adding this. Let us share into fertility folder. Yeah, so it has been fertility it has been added. And let's say migration, it has also been added. Now we can see that in migration folder, the author's name, title has been taken, but author's name and year has not been taken. What you need to do is just click here and then You have to manually add the author's name and then the year of the publication. Suppose you don't know what is the journal name, you can click in the read section. Then your PDF will be opened here. It will take time because file is large economic report here. It is showing Nepal Reserve Bank economic report. So I can add author's name as Nepal Reserve Bank. And year of the publication is 2006. So it is not under any journal, it is a report. Yeah, so it's different. Now you can close it, you can close it from here. Now you can see Nepal Extra Bank year in economic report. Similarly, in fertility folder, you can see it's already there. There, why it is showing red? Because the like India and Nepal, the capital letter. And the author name is Kush. Journal information, yeah, pages, volumes is already checking. This is how you can add different folders in Mendeley and different records in Mendeley. And after that, you, you can go in your Word document and you can add this, that